Summer is a great time to tackle that home maintenance to-do list, but figuring out where to start can be a challenge. Joining us now to help us out with some great ideas to save you time, money, and frustration is home care expert at Angie, Bailey Carson. Welcome to the Jet Set.
Hi, great to be here. Thanks for having me.
What maintenance projects should be our priority this summer?
Yes, well, first I'd start with anything you know you should be tackling. So if it's a leaky roof or gutters and downspouts that need to be cleaned, things that can be causing water damage, which lead to real problems down the road, tackle those first. If you don't have those issues, a project that I always recommend is weatherproofing. So we know based on our cost data at Angie that this has a great payback. And it's pretty simple. So caulking or weather stripping your doors and windows can be a great way to keep that AC in this summer, keep the heat in this winter, and save on your utility bills all year round.
Are there any projects that should not be delayed?
Great question. Nothing better than the feeling of productivity that comes after a DIY project, but nothing worse than a DIY fail that's really costly to fix or get redone. So at Angie, a great tip we have is the 3 T's: time, tools, and talent. And do you have them all? I often ask my husband when he comes up with a new project, Kevin, do you have the time to do this? Meaning, can you take the time to really research this and then get it done right? Do you have the tools? So do we already own it, or are you going to have to buy something or rent something, which could be expensive? And then finally, do you have the talent? Once you understand what's involved, do you feel confident you can get it done right? Or should we probably call in a pro?
How should we prioritize and budget home maintenance projects?
Yes, download the Angie app or visit Angie.com. We have tons of great project ideas, cost estimates, and access to hundreds of thousands of expert pros across the country.
Thanks for joining us, Bailey.
Thank you.